Okay, so first thing first, okay, after you already fix up all the joint there, okay, all the joints very nice already. So to mirror the joint, very simple. Select the joint, okay, go to skeleton. You can see this one. There's one called mirror joint. So go to the option box, okay. So there's some option in here. So very simple. How to check on these things? Okay, mirror across, okay. Check on your axis in here. There's an X, Y, Z, okay. So let's say this one, you want your X negative, mirror to the negative X in here. So you can just do in here. Click on this YZ. YZ will be in here. Okay, the X is not showing. That means that this axis will be mirrored to the other side. If you are doing on this axis, okay, you're gonna select the Y and X. Okay, so the Z is not showing. That means that the G, they will be mirrored the other side. So for this situation, we are going to the YZ. So in this situation, you can check. Okay, you're gonna like L to the left to the right lah. So very simple. Select the joint on the left. Okay, search for left underscore, replace with R underscore. Then you apply. Then you mirror the other side. Okay, so this is how you mirror the joint. Alright, you can check your axis. Okay, you can check all the axes there. Okay, this one is like Y positive. Your mirror already become Y negative. So you can just do the rotation like this to see it. Okay, the legs also the same. Okay, the legs also will be the same. Okay, front and back they'll be showing the same one. If I open, this will happen. Alright, rotate. Also will be like they will like mirror up the axis in here. Alright. Okay, so this is how you apply all the joint there. Make sure your joint name is correct, yeah. Alright, next thing we're gonna do for the controllers there. Alright, after you apply your joint there, okay, make sure all the axis is correct, then need to proceed. Alright, afterwards you're gonna need the controller for it. So we're gonna like create all the controllers, then need to put it the controller based on the joint that we needed. So very simple, go to curve. For this situation, we create a FK for the legs first, and then for the arms first. The IK we'll do it afterwards in there. Alright, so create controllers. So this one, okay, just follow your joint name, okay. COG, this one is called controllers, DIL. Then you group it again. Controller, controller group. Alright, and then afterward we got like the spine. How many? Then we can count. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got 3 spine here, so we need 3 set. Okay, spine controller 1. Alright, and then group. Then we got 2 and 3. Alright, if you want to like use the rename one, you can just go to modify, search and replace name. Alright, you just search for 01 to 02, then apply, then we change the name for you. Okay, then this one will be 03. Alright, so the group numbers behind you can just throw it. Alright, so we got the center gritty, which means this joint. Then we got the spine 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next one more we're gonna need for the hips. Alright, so to get one more, okay, name it hips controller. Alright, so this one will be a hips controller group. Alright, so we do for the center first, then only move to the arm later on. Alright, center of control here, center of gravity will be followed with this one. Okay, so you guys just I think we can just snap to it. Alright, so this one, snap to the place, snap to your joint. Okay, leave it there first. Later we're gonna like scale it. So spine control one will be here. Snap to it. Okay, spine control group. Okay, this one you select. Okay, remember select the group. Yeah, don't select the controller. Select the group. Okay, in the translate mode. Okay, holding V, and then you middle click, snap to the joint. Alright, so this one will be the controller tree, will be here. The hips will be same place with the center of gravity. So in here, you'll be got 2 controllers in here, and then each of it, the others, will be got 1. Alright, so right now, we shape all the things first. Alright, we shape our controller size. Okay, by pressing F8, you go to component selection. So you can just scale it up bigger a little bit, so easier for selection. So right now, when you scale, they will go up and down like this. Okay, which is not a correct way that we want to have our correct of the scaling. Alright, so you can change it. Double click your scaling tool. Okay, scale center as object. Alright, so now when scale, they will base it on their own object to scale it up. Alright, scale until the sum on the size that's nice already, so you can leave it. Okay, press F again. So go back to object selection. So the heap right now is overlap with the center of gravity. So these two might need to change a little bit. So I will change my heaps controllers. Okay, F8. Out the controllers. I might need to make it smaller a little bit. Okay, and then I will do a little bit of the size. Okay, the shape I will do a little bit different. Okay, so this will be my heaps controllers. Alright, so the center grid is too small. I'll make it bigger a little bit. Okay. Right, so this one will be my center of gravity. This one will be my heaps controllers. Alright, so next we're gonna do for the constraint. Okay, heaps controller will be constraining this joint, the center of gravity. Okay, constraint parent. Okay, maintain offset, you guys can just leave it turn on. Okay, add it inside. So this one will be the spine 1. Okay, pressing G to reply what was the action, last action. So spine 2, and then last will be the chest. Okay, spine 3. So now they can rotate. They can rotate. This one is not following because it's not parenting yet. So after you apply all the constraint already, you can do it for the parenting. This one will be followed here. This one will be followed here. This one will be followed here. The hips will be followed on the center gradient. Alright, so let's start doing it. So when you do the parenting, select the controllers. Okay, press up on your keyboard. Then we go to group. Okay, then shift select the next one. Okay, press P. You put it inside. Alright, so select this one again. Press up. Select this again. Press P. Select this. Press up. Holding shift, select the center gradient, parent. Okay, this one will be the hips. Okay, select the controllers, press up to the controllers, holding shift, select the center gradient, press P, parent inside. So center gradient will be the most biggest controllers that bring all things moving together. Alright, hips controllers will be only doing things on bottom. Okay, the spine controllers will be going up one by one the level. Alright, so when you want to turn your spine, you can select multiple control of here, then you rotate. Then their spine will be going to smooth way in here. It will be more smooth of the shape there when you start to deform. Alright, okay, you want to rotate all things up from here. Okay, you can just select and then you just do it. Some people they will do another things like on here. They will split one things. They will have another controllers to constrain upper level here. If you need that things, okay, then you might need to have another one level of the controllers. Okay, samples are this one guys doesn't need to apply in your one, but I will just show you how the sample will be works. Okay, let me get another shape in here. I will get a shape in here. Okay, I'll get a shape in here, and then I'll parent to the center gradient. Okay, let me do on a little bit shape difference in here for the upper level. Okay, slightly a square. Okay, a slightly square in here. Bring slightly upper level a little bit. Alright, so you'll be looking like this. Okay, and then this will be underneath like this. So let's say I want to rotate, start from here. Okay, I need another controllers. Start from this point, then rotate. You will have this kind of things happen. Okay, so normally I doesn't really need this one now. Okay, just for extra things, if you need it, you can do that. Alright, so go back to it. That one just a samples just a samples. You guys doesn't need to do it. Okay, you guys just do until here. Okay, that will be on the spine there. Right, after you finish up all the body, right? Okay, so we can do another things is like for the arms, the clavicle, the head, and the neck. Okay, the arm later we're gonna do it for the IK and FK later on. So for that we will do it later on. We'll do for the resting first. Alright, we continue from the easiest one. Okay, for the neck to the head. So we can just look it from here. Okay, look it from here, and then we just isolate these two parts. This one snap to here. We get one more set. Snap to the head. Alright, then you name it. Alright, this one. Okay, you can use the controllers. Okay, search and replace in here. Okay, replace the things. Spine to neck. Alright, there apply. This one to the head. Yeah, apply. Alright, the numbers we doesn't need so we can just clean up the numbers. All this we can clean it up. Alright, so this one will be the neck, that one will be the head. Alright, the head will be underneath the neck, and then the neck will be underneath this spine. Alright, parent it. Alright, so it will be looking like this way. Alright, next we go to two left. Okay, the clavicles. Okay, so we can do on the one side first. Okay, so same things. You can get controllers, group it, name it left clavicle controller. Alright, and then controller group. Alright, this will be here. Just snap to it, okay? But in this situation, we cannot like just move to the snap because we're gonna like follow with the axis as well. So you can select the group, select the join, modify, match transform, match all. So that your group axis will be follow with your join axis. Okay? Controller under your group will follow it with the axis as well. With all this transform attribute will be clean. Alright. So this one we can just duplicate to the other sides. Alright, so duplicate others, this one will be to the right. Okay, modify, match transform, match all. So controller will come here. Alright, so we'll do for the sizing here. Let me name it first. Okay, this one will be the right. This one will be the right. Oops. Okay, let me shape it. Okay, F8. Okay, scale a little bit bigger. I think I move all this up to here. Alright. Okay, I can go scale. I want to push up a little bit. Okay, so I'll go back to default. This one I'll put a little bit right way. And then we'll move up. Following the word. Going upwards. Okay, this center. Going upwards. Okay. Something like this. Okay, if you want nicer, then you can play with the shapes. Okay, if you guys want nicer of the controllers, okay, play with the shape a little bit. Okay. Make sure they are looking roughly same for the left and right. Alright, do not scale like this way, okay, you don't scale the controller straight in here, else the value will go inside your controllers. Okay, scale on the vertices of the controllers there. Alright, next we do the constraint parent. Okay, constraint parent. This one will be the neck, this one will be the head. Alright, all the shape of the controllers, make sure it is easier for selection. Alright, so for the neck will be here, slightly small a little bit. It's okay that your controller shape is not on the point, okay, but the pivot is on the shape. That will be okay. Right, now we move to the arm. Okay, for the arm, we're gonna do it the step for the IK and FK in there, so that we're gonna have like multiple joint, okay, in your arm there. Alright, this one we call as the base joint. Okay, all the finger will be the base one. So we're gonna have another set called as the IK and FK. So I can just select the joint, duplicate one set. All the finger we doesn't need. Okay. All the finger we doesn't need. You can just remove all these fingers. Okay, keep one. Okay, you can just unparent out first. Okay, we just focus on this one first. The rest of it doesn't need to check it first. Okay, these two controllers, the clavicle, right? You put it inside in here. Clavicle controllers, put inside here, the spine tree. Alright, so things will be clean. So this one will be the new, the FK arm and the IK arm. So you can just name it. Okay, using here. Search and replace. So for this situation, use like left underscore to left underscore IK underscore. Alright, and then I will just let me have another set now. Right, so this one will be IK. Alright, another set will be FK. so number, let me clean it up. So we got like two sets. One is called IK, another set will be FK. Okay, all of them are in the correct place, the same place of it. Alright, we do the FK first, the most simple. Create one controllers, group it, name it left, upper, arm. Sorry, should be FK first. Okay, upper arm, ctrl. Okay, controllers. Okay, name it and do a group. Next, this one will be the elbow. Just use the search and replace. Upper arm to elbow. Another will be the wrist. Alright, so clean up the group name. Okay. So parent it first. Okay. You can parent or you want to move to the place, then the parent also will be fine. Alright, so this one, the FK, will be follow this. Modify, match transform, match all. Your control will be on the place. Okay, your control will be on the place. Okay, FK to here. Modify, match transform, match all. Okay, the wrist will be here. Okay, repeat the step. Okay, pressing G. Alright, now we can scale up the control a little bit. Scaling based on object. Alright, scale it up. Okay, your wrist is okay already, then it doesn't need to select the wrist. Can do on here. This as well. Alright, so this one will be the FK arm, upper arm, the controllers there. Alright, this one remember, do not go and place the transformation there. Okay, leave the value there, it's fine. Alright, so how you do the right side? Okay, right side very simple. You duplicate whole set. Okay, whole set duplicate. Then this one you group again. Press G, group again. And then here you type it -1. You flip to other side in here. Alright, by axis following it's fine. Hold on, let me see if the is fine. Hold on. You take one more set. Okay, do the naming. Left to right. Okay, select one joint, then to here, modify, match transform, match all. Then second, match, then the wrist, you match again. So all the controller will be same axis. Okay, same axis. You're going up and down will be like this. Alright, then we do the constraint. Okay, FK arm, okay, controller to join, constraint parent, controller to join, parent, controller to join, parent. Alright, the right side we leave it first, later we'll duplicate another join for this one. Alright, next we do for the IK. This one very simple. Just create one controllers, image left, IK, arm, controller. Okay, group it. Paste the name. This one, just move to here. Doesn't need to snap the things, just move the controller to here. Then you shape it a little bit. Okay, shape it a little bit. Make sure the shape is slightly different from the FK. Shape a little bit. Oops. I'll shape like this. Okay, slightly different will be fine. Alright, then for the IK arm, very simple. Okay, to isolate it, go to skeleton, create IK handle, make sure it's rotate plane, 1, 2, click it, then it'll give you one constraint, the IK handle here. Just middle click, drop to your IK arm controllers. Then when you move it, your arm can be worked right now. Alright. Alright, so after one arm is complete, then you just repeat the step for the another arm. So this one, we will duplicate one, name it to right. Okay, this handle will create a new one for it for the right arm. Alright, so right arm also need to duplicate two sets of it. Okay, I'm pairing it out. The finger doesn't need. Okay, rename it. Okay, underscore. Apply.
Okay. Okay to FK. Alright, apply. Alright, clean up the naming. Alright, so we do the IK first, it's fine. Okay, just move to your join and then we'll create an IK handle. 1, 2. Then IK handle. Make sure you rename as well. Right, IK. IKH. Okay, IKH means IK handle. Alright, so this one just move to the IK arm. Alright, this one we name as left IKH. Alright, so IK is done. So FK very simple. This is how we got the IK, the FK controllers. So just use it to do the constraint parent. Alright, now we finish. Okay, so the finger very simple. Okay, just like how you create for the spine on all these like FK lah. So create one controllers and then you snap it, then you constraint parent each of it. Alright, so for the legs also same step. Okay, you duplicate 2 set. 1, 2. One will be IK, another one will be the FK. Alright, so for this situation, all the ankle it doesn't need. Alright, then rename left IK, left FK. Okay, then this will be IK. Upper leg, lower leg. Oh, where's my knee? I think I'll remove the ankle as well. My bad. One more set again. Just remove these two. 1, 2. Alright. Left IK. Left FK. Alright, clean it up. Okay, either you want to start IK or FK is fine. So do our controllers. So group it. So this one will be like left. Okay, legs. Controller. Alright. Copy. Paste it. As group. This one, snap to your legs. Okay, just snap to it. Okay, the size you can do it later on. Okay. 1, 2. So we got your IK handle. Name it. Left leg IKH. Okay, parent underneath the IK legs controllers. Yeah, the pointer will do it later on. Okay, we do for the all IK and FK first. Then later continue for the pointers. Alright. So this one will be the left FK leg control. Alright, and group it. Control group. Duplicate 2 more. And name it. This one is leg to knee. Alright, another will be the ankle. Apply. Alright, so focus on the FK legs. FK join. So this one be here. Modify, mesh transform, mesh all. This one will be the knee. This one will be the ankle. Alright, now parent. Okay, based on the hierarchy. Okay, the ankle will be under the knee. The knee will be underneath the legs. Alright, so now should be finished for the FK set. Okay, we do the constraint parent. Okay, the legs for the first joint, constraint parent. Okay, so this will be knee. And then lastly will become the ankle. Alright, so now when they rotate, they will be moving. Okay, the size you can do it later on afterwards. Alright, so all the IKFK is set up already. One more thing we left out is the pole actors. Alright, pole actor very simple. Okay, make sure IK already set up first, yeah. Then only you can go and do the pole actors. Alright, so get your controllers, name it. Okay, left, leg, PV, controllers. Okay, and then group it. Alright, this one, the group, select the group, select your join, press P, parent under the join, okay, and then all the value in here on the group is 0 up. Okay, then from this axis, okay, you select this, okay, just move out a little bit, then unparent. Okay, the rotation you guys can clean up is fine. Clean up the rotation, okay, and select your controllers, and you select your IK handle, constraint pole vector. After it, when you do these controllers, okay, you can already like twist your legs up, okay, based on the pole vector there. Same thing goes to arm. Okay, I will duplicate from here. This one, arm, pole vector. Alright, select the arm controllers, select the join, press P, parent, all the value, clean it up, press move. Based on the axis here, you move up. Okay, then unparent. Rotation, can clean it up. Select controllers, find your IK arm, okay, the IK handle, constraint pole vector. Alright, if your joint is correct, your pole vector is correct, okay, when you create, all the joint will be in the same place, okay, perfectly in the same place, okay, nothing go out. Okay, if something is wrong, then your joint somehow will have a little bit mismove like this. If this thing happen, which means that if some of the step is wrong. If it's correct, it will be like step it, they will like on top of it lah, snap it perfectly. Okay. Alright, so this is how you create your IK handle and all these FK things and all the controllers. Okay, but the next I will continue on the right side, so you guys can do it. And then also the fingers, okay, we'll do one by one. Also very simple step, okay, just create a controllers, okay, examples here. Okay, controllers for it. This one will be the left, thumbs, controllers 0, 1. Okay, so we got like 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 okay, and then each of it, just group them. Just group all them. Okay, then you just copy. Okay, and then name it as a group. Okay, the first one to here, modify, mesh transform, mesh all. Then the second one to here, and then third one to here. So all the controller will be on the place there. Okay, then we do the constraint. Controller to the join, constraint parent. Controller to the join, constraint parent. This one as well. After it, we do the parenting. 3 under 2, 2 under 1. Right, so when you rotate it, okay, your finger will be following. Okay, the parenting of the fingers we will do on the next week. Okay, you guys need to complete this one first. Alright, okay, so the rest of fingers also same things. Okay, duplicate already, you can just duplicate from here, then you step one by one. Okay, then you do the constraint parent. Alright, after it, whole things you just move to other side hand. Okay, same things, modify, mesh transform one by one. Then you guys just parent it. Okay, do the constraint parent. Alright, so this is how you guys set up the control for the characters.